This is Coriaco Philippines, and I would like to introduce you our newest model, the CRM3111. This is the single group head version of our other model CRM32111. Inclusions of the machine are manual, cup riser that would be placed here, single spout portafilter with single basket for single shot, double spout portafilter with double basket, tamper that has a 58 mm circumference, citric acid, rubber disc for backflashing, brush, extra pipe for inlet hose, drainage lock for drainage hose. And also you have the inlet hose as well as the drainage hose. This is where you place your inlet hose to this white pipe. Make sure to place it correctly and tightly. To the other end, to your water reservoir. Here. To your wastewater, you need to place the drainage hose to this black pipe, and to the other end, to your wastewater pail. The switch is located underneath the machine. Here. The machine has a power of 3,200 wattage. Advisable to plug it into your main outlet. So I will turn on the machine. Click this power button. The machine is coated in white color, but the material itself is made up of stainless steel. It utilizes a commercial rotary vane pump with 9 bar pressure, ensuring optimal coffee extraction for rich and flavorful brew. So the frontal display of the machine composed of pressure gauge, steam gauge, electronic buttons, PID display, steaming lever, steaming nozzle with 360 degrees rotation, hot water funnel, group head for extractions, drip tray for wastewater. So first, I will talk about PID display. The machine features a PID display with adjustable brewing time, allowing users to set timer for precise control over the coffee making process. So, paano nyo po malalaman kapag okay na si machine? Once yung temperature po natin is na-reach na. As well as yung arrow po ng steam gauge is na-reach na dyan sa red pie na yan. Or, simply, yung arrow po is na-reach na po yung more than 2. That's the time na pwede na po natin gamitin si machine. The arrow goes beyond the 2. Meaning, this machine is ready to use. Preheating time takes about 15 to 20 minutes before using. Negative side, when you press and hold it, it will adjust the pre-infusion. So, pre-infusion po, or other term is pre-soaking. Ito po yung adjustment sa initial na pagbasa po sa grinded bean sa portafilter before extract for better taste. Siyang maximum na 30 seconds. And 0 po kung ayaw nyo po ng pre-infusion. So, set ko lang po siya sa default po nyo, which is 2. Then, pag natapos mo yung blinking, automatically sets na po siya. So, next feature po is steaming. All you need to do is pull down the lever. Purge muna po tayo. So this machine is a multi-functionality, meaning it is capable of making coffee while getting hot water and steaming simultaneously. Providing a versatile coffee making experience. The positive side is the adjustment of temperature, and the negative side is the adjustment of pre-infusion. So, paano po ba siya i-adjust? All you need to do is press the positive sign, press and hold. And once nag-blink na po siya, use the positive sign para umangat po yung temperature. Hanggang 102 po yung maximum. And 80 po yung pinakamababa. So, iset ko lang po siya sa default. 72. And once na tapos na po yung blinking, it will automatically set. Next, the negative sign. Pag na-press and hold po natin ito po yung adjustment of pre-infusion. So, the machine itself has 2 stainless steel boiler. One boiler has a capacity of 500 ml boiler for coffee, And the other end has 5.25 liters boiler for steaming and hot water, for ensuring consistent temperature and efficient performance. First button is the on and off switch. Off and on. Next is the manual extraction. So manual extraction po, kaya tinawag po siyang manual kasi kayo po yung mag-go. And once na-reach na po yung gusto niyo pong dose or ml, kayo din po yung mag-off. So punta muna po tayo dito, hot water. So hot water po, naka-default po siya ng 5 seconds. Meaning, mag-i-stop po siya within 5 seconds po. So, what if hindi po sapat yung 5 seconds? Napoprogram naman po yung hot water. All you need to do is press and hold. And kung gaano nyo po siya katagal hinold, sa next pindot nyo po, ganun din po katagal yung pagbababa po ng tubig po niya. For example, gagawin po siya 10 seconds. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, sa next pindot ko po, approximately 10 seconds na po yun. Yan. Single shot. Yung single shot po natin is naka-default po siya ng 25 seconds. So, meaning, hihinto po siya within 25 seconds. So, what if hindi po sapat yung 25 seconds? Again, pwede po siya ma-program. All you need to do is press and hold. And ang maganda po sa pag-program po ng single shot as well as double shot is may timer base po kayo. So, ganun lang din po yun. Next po, yung double shot. Yung double shot po is naka-default po siya ng 40 seconds. So, yun po yung pre-infusion. Initial na paghinto within 2 seconds before nyo po extract lahat. So yan, try po natin i-program yung single shot. Press and hold po natin within 30 seconds. So ito po yung sinasabi kong time base. So once na-reach na po yung 30 seconds, kung gusto nyo po 30 seconds, tsaka po natin i-release yung pag-hold. So, sa next pindot ko po ng single shot, 30 seconds na po siyang hihinto. So, there you have it po. Same pa rin po ng pag-process sa double shot.